Why the stock of ABB is soaring in a weak market? Here is a quick analysis. Number one, the company delivered over 85% growth in profit in the recent quarter as compared to the same quarter last year. This also came with margin expansion from 12% to 18%. Number two, the company delivered 30%, almost 29% revenue growth as well in this quarter compared to same quarter last year. Number three, its order book increased 15% to 3,600 crores this quarter, and the order book at the end of the quarter was at almost 9,000 crores. This may look lower at less than 1 times revenue, but these days ABB is also generating a lot of revenue from products or short cycle projects rather than long cycle projects in the past. So the company has actually surprised the market every quarter in the last several quarters, and this has also sent its valuations soaring. It is now trading at close to 110 times earnings compared to its historical average of 70 to 75 times, even considering the previous capex cycle. So for investors who already managed to enter the stock at its own historical average may enjoy the ride, but then for those who are entering new may have to look for 35 to 40% growth year on year from here onwards to justify this valuation. So any disappointment on that count may have a significant adverse impact on the stock price. That's it.